Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing to my channel. From the title of the video, you guys already know what this video is about. So I'm going to be talking about my experience of using period underwears. I've always used sanitary napkins and no other thing. I've always used sanitary napkins, and I decided to make the switch to period underwears and at least give it a shot. It had been on my mind since a very long while now. To give you a little heads up so that you can get where I'm coming from to do with this review, I am one of those people who get my period for say 3 to 4 days, and I usually go through a light to medium flow. Maybe on day 2 I go through like 8 to 9 hours of heavy flow, just so that you know where I'm coming from. So now, why was I keen to really try out a period underwear? I always use sanitary napkins of various brands, but when I did stumble upon period underwears, I was very keen to try out because it just seemed like the most hassle-free option out there. So I think the turning point was sometime last year. A very dear and childhood friend of mine and I were chatting on Instagram, and she just happened to mention, and we both were casually chatting about how there are toxins in our groceries, in everything we use, in most of the products we use for our hair, skin, etc. She basically mentioned about, very casually, she mentioned about how there are toxins in our sanitary napkins as well. Honestly, I did not know about this up until then at all. I hadn't read it anywhere, or it didn't even honestly dawn upon me. I was mentioning about how our sanitary napkins have perfumes, toxins, chemicals, etc. And I got down to researching ASAP. And the more I researched, the more I freaked out. That is what I do pretty often. I start googling, and I always want to take the safest option possible to do with anything that is touching my body or I'm consuming or whatever else. All this while, I thought I was making the safest choice by picking a sanitary napkin, and turns out that wasn't the case. Period pads have been linked to infertility, PCOD, various kind of cancers, and when I read that, I freaked out. There's been a history of cancer in my family, and which is why I'm hyper vigilant when it comes to anything that is touching my body or any kind of consumption involved. So I am quite hyper vigilant when it comes to these things. A few months went by, but I kept researching on what is the alternative then. I have been on a lookout for a healthy option since quite a few years now, since my mid-20s, and I'm 30 going on to being 33 now. So I tried Mahina's period underwear. This is what it looks like. It comes in a packet like this. So here's my honest experience with this period underwear. So to begin with, it's made of cotton and there are no toxins in there. It is supremely comfortable. So when I finally wore it, I felt like it's an absolutely normal underwear. There is no sensation of anything in between. So like जैसे pad में होता है, there is clearly, you, at least at the time when you're wearing it and the first few hours, you're quite aware of the fact that there is a pad in between. So with this, that was not the case. I was just wearing, it felt like I'm wearing a completely normal panty, and there was no sensation of anything extra on the front. So the panty lining part is quite thick and malleable, which makes it super comfortable. These underwears are made with cotton, natural fibers and planet-friendly dyes. So there is absolutely no chemical in there, which I was really relaxed about. I did my decent amount of research on this before trying this out. Massive issue I would go through with sanitary napkins, especially the usual store-bought sanitary napkins. Every time I wore sanitary napkins, I think one thing that would be on my mind is, if activity is involved, there is going to be chafing. And that was quite problematic for me because I'm one of those people with thick thighs, and during travel or hiking or going to the gym or going for a run, every time I would end up with gray skin due to the plastic on the edges of the pads. That is about the comfort bit. I have that part sorted. And so moving on to how does this underwear really work. And he comes in with a 3-layer super absorbent gazette for strong absorbency. Gazette goes all the way to the back, So you can see that it's going all the way to the top of where this panty would be at your lower back. And that basically means that there is absolutely no chance of leakage from the back. So I wish I had this option all through school and college, because I remember with my girlfriends we'd always have this thing of yaar piche dekh stain to nahi hai. So that kind of thing, that problem is fully sorted because there is no option of any kind of leakage. All of this is the Gazette. What makes this underwear a super option is the fact that it lasts up to 12 hours. So if you have left early in the morning for work or college and you're going to be back by say evening, this is going to be perfectly the ideal option to wear. All of that issue of like finding a clean washroom to go change a pad and all of that is out of the window, which is super. When I put up the reel on this underwear, a lot of you had DM'd me, what about clots? So I personally am not a person who has a lot of clotting, but in case you do, there is absolutely no hassle. All you got to do is just take a tissue and wipe that off, discard it, and you can just put the underwear back on and wear it as you would. Part of the experience was the breathability factor. That used to be a thing back in school. I do remember the chafing, the rashes, and going through just the hassle of अब मेरे को pad बदलना है, I'm borrowing a pad from a friend, or the school clinic if I got my period and I hadn't planned for it. No, especially those monsoon and summer months when chafing and rashes can be really bad, and they really take over the rest of your day, because if you have grey skin and the skin down there is so sensitive already, if you have grey skin down there, it really takes a toll on the rest of your day and your activities. Pads have a plastic lining if you notice carefully. Down there is extremely sensitive, and breathability for me was a massive factor. Period underwear like this one that is made of fabric and cotton makes this entire experience a very breathable one. You'll know what I'm talking about once you try this. So now a lot of you asked, what about the cleaning? How does one manage that? Once you've used the underwear, all you do is you run it under cool water, rinse it out properly till the water is running absolutely clear, then just put it into the washing machine, or you can also hand wash it with a gentle soap. Basically exactly how you would wash any other underwear. Then simply hang it outside to dry. That's about it. Another super point is these underwears last up to 100 washes, which makes them a super affordable option in my opinion. It's a one-time investment. Invest in 3 to 4 or depending on your flow, and you are sorted for quite a while after that. So who could use these underwears? In my opinion, absolutely anybody can. They come in different absorbencies and in different sizes. I love the fact that they're absolutely body hugging. So I am pretty big on the lower part of my body, and size was the doubt in my mind. But this panty, and I put it on, it just hugged me absolutely like a glove, and it was extremely comfortable. For example, if you know that the first day, the third day, the end ka days are light flow for you, you can get the light to medium flow underwears, and for the heavier days maybe keep 1 or 2 depending on your flow of the heavy flow underwear. So when could you use these? In my opinion, on any day when you know that you would need those 12 hours. Say you're working out, you're going to office, you're going to college, you're traveling, and for 12 hours you cannot be changing your pads. Those are the days when you must have something like this. Even otherwise, if you are at home, I'm a work from home person and I work out in the evenings, so I just wanted that hassle out of my life. I comfortably wear it in say at 12 at noon, and then I am sorted till like 8 to 9 at night. Say if you're traveling and you know that you're going to be traveling for many hours and you would not have the option of cleaning your panty, maybe then opt for a cotton pad or something. But if you know that you can afford to change, say about 9 to 12 hours later, I would highly suggest this is a must-have item. I think like through the pandemic, menstrual cups were a thing. A lot of people were trying them on, and I honestly also did give it a thought. Somehow I was not able to convince myself on the idea of getting a menstrual cup in, and somehow just having something inside my body did not feel quite right. And I just skipped the idea completely. A lot of you mentioned about your experience of menstrual cups and how they were painful, and how the entire idea of inserting it or getting it out was quite painful, especially for people with PCOD and endometriosis. I would highly suggest that you try out this period panty. I feel it's a complete game changer. It's gonna change your experience of periods. The best part is that you even forget that you're on your period, honestly. This panty on my first and my second day is usually my heaviest day, and I did not have any problem with staining or any problem with a potential leak or anything like that. The absorbency was quite strong, so there was absolutely no wetness at any given point of time. Wore it at around 1 p.m. and went for my workout at around 9 p.m. and 9 to 11 I was working out, and there was no wetness at all. About it, it's been my first ever experience with anything else but a sanitary napkin, and this period panty has truly changed my experience. I'm gonna be hooked onto this, I think, for the rest of my life, or till I get my period. If you'd like to try this product, I'm gonna drop in the link in the description box below. There's also a coupon code that you can use. I'll mention it right here, as well as in the description box below. Found this video to be of help to you, please do consider sharing it with your friends and family, or the lovely women in your life, and make their period experience a comfortable one. Thank you so much for watching. Up until next time, bye.